Good evening, I'm Blayze Fairweather, serving you tonight's headlines with a smile, a smirk, and a slightly sarcastic sense of public health policy. Our top story: Dr. Peter Marks, the FDA's top vaccine official, also known as the guy standing between you and a vial of moonshine labeled cure, has officially resigned. Why? According to Marks, he simply couldn't stand another day in a department now run by Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the new Health and Human Services Secretary and part-time podcast philosopher. In his resignation letter, Dr. Marks cited misinformation and lies coming directly from RFK Jr., which, in government terms, is like saying, this guy is steering the Titanic while denying the existence of icebergs. For those keeping score at home, RFK Jr. has long been a critic of vaccines, big pharma, and occasionally facts. Now, he's in charge of drug safety, pandemic response, and thousands of scientists who probably haven't stopped crying since his appointment. Insiders say morale at the FDA has dropped faster than a clinical trial in a Facebook comment section. Dr. Marks, known for guiding the U.S. through multiple vaccine rollouts and keeping the anti-vax YouTube crowd at bay, reportedly said he could no longer carry out his duties while HHS is being remodeled into what he described as a wellness blog with a federal budget. In response, RFK Jr. denied spreading misinformation, saying he simply wants to challenge the narrative, which is always comforting when it comes from the guy responsible for your next booster shot. Meanwhile, sources close to the CDC report they've been forced to update their emergency alert system to include the phrase, "This is not a drill, it's just RFK." As for Dr. Marks, he's gone, possibly to a peaceful island where no one asks him to approve horse paste as medicine. And here at 404 News, we'll be watching closely to see if RFK Jr. replaces him with a licensed epidemiologist or a guy with good vibes and a turmeric latte. For now, I'm Blayze Fairweather, reminding you, if you feel unwell, consult a medical professional. If your medical professional has a podcast, maybe get a second opinion. This is 404 News, where side effects may include eye rolls, sarcasm, nausea, vomiting, and occasional hope.